Okay, boys and girls, we are on lesson 91. It is decimal place value. So in today's lesson, I'm going to have to flip my camera this way. When thinking about money can actually help us understand the decimal place value. So for example, if Mrs. Harris had the number $129.29. So the one is in the hundreds column, which we know things on the left side of the decimal. The 2 is in the tens column. The 9 is in the ones column. This is for our $1 bill. Then we have a decimal point. The 2 is 20 cents, and it is equivalent to 20 cents. Well, you know what? Mrs. Harris is going to change this. The 1 is equivalent to 1/10 of a dollar. If I had 10 dimes, it would equal $1. So it's 1/10 of a dollar. Same thing. I'll make this actually a lot easier. With the pennies, it's 1/100th of a dollar. So the number after the decimal place we've talked about in class, it's our 10th column. 10th. Remember, Mrs. Harris has emphasized this. Let me write my number again. 129.11. So this is our 10th. 10 with a TH. This is our 100th. TH. And we briefly talked about this before this break. This is our, who can tell me? It's our 1,000th. So we write the word 1,000 and we put a TH. So if Mrs. Harris, I'm going to flip my camera back around. I hope that didn't mess up on a computer or anything. So if Mrs. Harris has this number, 4.37, which digit is in the hundredths? Place. So we know this is our ones. This is our tenths. The 7 is in our 100th place. If Mrs. Harris has the number 4.3701, and I threw in an extra number in here, 10th, 100th, what was this one again? 1,000th. So this is the 7 again is in our 100th place. So if I want to compare fractions now, decimals now, I want to compare 23.25 compared to 23.250. Which number is bigger? So first of all, we're to figure this out, we can write the numbers on top of each other. 23.25, 23.250. Both numbers have the same digits in the same place values. The 0 in this one, in the 1,000th place, adds no value. I could actually keep adding zeros, just like I could do on this one. So these numbers are equal. If I want to subtract, I have 4.37 minus 1.146. The most important thing is that we line up the decimal points whenever we add or subtract decimal numbers. This ensures that we add or subtract digits with the same place value. In this example, notice that there's no digit to subtract from the 6, so we can fill it up with an empty 0 because 4.370 equals 4.37. So Mrs. Harris is going to do 4.37. I'm going to add a 0, subtract 1.146. Remember, the 0 adds no value. So when I do it, the first thing I have to do is I have to borrow. This becomes a 6. This becomes a 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Drop my decimal place. 4 minus 1 is 3. So for this practice set, I am going to post it online for your parents to show you so you can do the practice. That's it for lesson 91.